I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.6 thousand of you. Absolutely insane. I am beyond so thankful, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. So in today's video, I thought I would do another what to buy from Lush with X amount of money, and today I'm doing it a little bit different because I'm basically going to be sharing with you the top products from Lush for under £5. £5. Absolute bargain. All of these products I think are really good value for £5. I do only have 7 of them to share with you because a lot from Lush that I personally love is a little bit more expensive, but these are a few products I think are really worth the money, and like I said, are only under £5. Bargain. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right in. Grab yourselves a snack or a drink or a coffee or anything like that, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first product, which I think is an absolute steal for under £5, is the Twilight Bath Bomb. Twilight Bath Bomb, as you guys know, has been one of my absolute favourite bath bombs for absolutely years. If you've watched my channel for a while, you will know that me and Twilight, we go way back. You know, we're good pals, and oh, she's just brilliant. She is a pink bath bomb with a blue centre with some silver lustre inside, and she smells like lavender and vanilla, and the whole experience with the Twilight is just amazing. It's relaxing but fun, and that's what I really enjoy. You get the colour, you get the kind of like glitter, the fun part of a bath bomb, but with the scent that was really relaxing. So great before bed. Like I said, lavender, vanilla. It's not overly lavendery. That's what I was trying to say. So to the point where it smells like a garden, you know, but it's just a sweet lavender, and I absolutely love it. And it's £3.95, so bargain in my opinion. You could even cut it in half if you really wanted to, but yeah, Twilight is my number one. You just need to try it. You're welcome. So similarly to Twilight, we have Unicorn Horn. Unicorn Horn is a bubble bar version of Twilight in a sense. It's lavender, ylang ylang. It smells absolutely delightful, and it's only £4.50. And if I'm being honest, you could get 2 baths, maybe 3 out of this if you've got really powerful taps. Definitely 3, but for £4.50, honestly, Unicorn Horn is delicious and I absolutely love it. And if you like that calming lavender but with the hint of vanilla, you will love this bubble bar so much. I'm not going to go on about it too much because I feel like it's personal preference anyway because of the scent, but I absolutely love it. If you guys haven't tried it, get a Twilight, get a Unicorn Horn, do a combo. You're welcome. Next up, we have a soap bar. Now, I don't tend to talk about soap bars a lot on my channel because as of recently, I've only really started getting into soaps. Like, obviously I use shower gel and stuff like that, and I use soap when I wash my hands, but like in the shower and in the bath, I don't tend to gravitate towards like a bar of soap to wash with. But I did just recently use up some Reindeer Rock from like a million years ago, so it is getting me into using my soap bars, and Figs and Leaves is so good. I've always had a soft spot for Figs and Leaves soap anyway because of the smell. It's absolutely comforting, calming. It's a beautiful scent. I couldn't even describe it, but it's so creamy and just so soft to the touch that even to shave with, this is beautiful. In terms of ingredients, I do have the list up here. This has coconut oil, rapeseed oil, figs on the top, aloe vera, ylang ylang, aloe extract, and orange flower absolute. So it just smells absolutely incredible. I can't really describe it apart from a really creamy, slightly fruity, calming, fresh smell. It's just amazing, and for 100 grams it is exactly £5, so I feel like it's not under £5, but I wanted to feature it anyway because it is really good. So next up we have the Whoosh shower jelly. Now, I'm not overly keen on shower jellies. They're not my go-to kind of product that I gravitate towards, but Whoosh shower jelly is £5. It smells like lemon and lime and really sour, like sweet, fresh, fruity smell. It's such a beautiful fragrance, and I think if you put this in the freezer and then use it to wash with in the summer, it's such a beautiful product. It's cold, it's fresh and amazing. And ingredients wise, this has rosemary oil, grapefruit oil, fresh lime juice, fresh grapefruit juice, fresh lemon juice, and geranium oil. So like I said, it's basically full of lemon, lime, and grapefruit. It's so beautifully like sour and sharp and amazing, and I really, really like the smell of it. I think if they had that scent in a shower gel, I would absolutely love it, but obviously they don't, so the shower jelly will have to do. But yes, Whoosh shower jelly, it's £5. Bargain, smells amazing, so if you haven't tried it, definitely give it a go. Next up we have the cucumber eye pads. Now I'm not gonna lie, when I heard that these were one use only, I was a little bit like, that's quite expensive, as they are £3 for 2, so it is quite expensive for one use. Not gonna lie, I do not use mine just once. I make sure they're clean, but I definitely use them 2 or 3 times. I just think you get your money's worth a bit more that way. But I do also get quite a few of the iPads in with my Fresh and Flowers box, so it is making me use them a little bit more frequently, and I do really, really like them. I love the concept. I love the cooling feeling on my eyes. I get quite severe under eye dark circles. I don't drink enough water, and I probably don't get enough sleep, so these eye patches work really well for me. I personally think that if you want to have a pamper and you want to kind of treat yourself to a full face mask, hair mask situation, definitely get yourself some of the eye patches, because I think they're so cooling and amazing. And I keep calling them eye patches and not iPads because I'm thinking about pirates now, which is very confusing. But the eye pads, so good. £3, beautifully cooling, especially if you put them in the fridge. They just make your eyes so cold, so cool. It's just a lovely addition to a pamper, in my opinion. The next item on my list is the 45-gram pot of Dream Cream body lotion. Now I know what you're thinking, Dream Cream body lotion is quite boring, it's quite plain. However, if you have got sensitive skin, i.e. if you've got eczema, psoriasis, you're younger and you want something really super gentle, Dream Cream is the top dog. It is what you want to put on your skin. It is so gentle and so incredible. I recommend it to everybody, especially people who do suffer with eczema and psoriasis. It's such a beautiful product. Obviously I'm not a doctor, but I have served people this in the past and they have told me it worked on their skin, so it's kind of one of those trial and error things. But definitely give it a go. If you've got sensitive skin, it's absolutely beautiful. So ingredients wise, you have oat milk, rose water, extra virgin olive oil, cocoa butter, rose absolute, and chamomile blue oil, as well as some tea tree and lavender oil. So absolutely beautiful ingredients, and like I said, I cannot recommend it enough. It's a beautiful product and I highly recommend it. And last but definitely not least are the tea tree toner tabs. Now these are £1.50. They used to be £1 when I worked there, so they've gone up 50%, which is quite a lot. However, I really love the tea tree toner tabs simply because when I used to use them, I would put them in the water, have a steam, really kind of go for it that way. Then I would put that water in a spray bottle and I would keep that in the fridge, and I would use that as a regular toner for the next kind of 4 to 5 days. Obviously after that you want to throw it away because water doesn't keep forever, but it is a really lovely way to use the product, so you're not just having a steam and then throwing the water away. It kind of makes it last a bit longer, especially for this time of year where we're getting a little bit bunged up and it's getting a little bit dry and it's, I don't know, it's cold outside. A lovely facial steam will make you feel incredible, and again, a really beautiful way to have a pamper and just treat yourself. And also, if you've got a face mask on, use that water to take the face mask off. It's just a really lovely multi-purpose product and I really like it for that reason. But ingredients wise, this one has citric acid, tea tree water, aloe vera powder, and that's it. So it's a really simple product, very good for kind of spot prone skin and that kind of thing, and it's just, again, really affordable at £1.50. So yeah, love that. A great little pamper product and I would highly recommend. So those are all of the products I would recommend from Lush for under £5. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please let me know any other products that are under £5 that I didn't mention in this video. I would love to know down below in the comments, because I just think it's a really fun way to try Lush, get into it without spending loads of money. So yeah, let me know down below your suggestions, that's what I meant, suggestions. Obviously don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and again, we are on our way to 9.6 thousand, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. It would absolutely make my day and I would love you guys so much. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I'm gonna go make a coffee, so I hope you guys have a fab day. I love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys!